Orion Koinwa. Owai Koinwa. Aloha. Maike Kalonoa. Ana Meoe. Osanyu Kanua. We spoke in Hawaiian.
R. Ling. E. U. Not hi, not bonjour, but namaste.
Jai Jagannath. This is the way of Odia people greetings.
Maro naam Ankita hai, is that correct? Oh wow, not bad.
India is so diverse, so I personally feel that each kid who is the future generation should understand culture and respect, because if they go outside, they are going to represent our nation. So this platform was such kind of a platform where the kids were exposed to various cultures of our country, get to know each culture very in deep, so that they can go and speak about all those cultures wherever they go in future. Thank you.
Across the world in a very lively, vibrant way. The children really have worked hard, and I could see good teamwork and display.
They are celebrating here in Podar is absolutely stunning. I've never seen this before. They have showcased it very well. I really loved it, the way the kids were prepared and the way they were demonstrating everything.
So this was such an amazing experience. The program was simply well arranged, well managed. I think this also fits in with the ideal learner profile of inclusivity and diversity.
It is a very good feeling to come and join for something different to experience. I like that the energy of the children. Every child has taken part here. That's the best part.